You've probably seen the ads or viral TikTok clips, a bizarre-looking animatronic creature called Nosey, moving its head, blinking, sniffing around like it's alive, and reacting to people. Some viewers swear it's a real AI-powered robot pet. Others claim it's nothing more than clever editing and a cheap toy pretending to be next-gen animatronics. So you're left wondering, is Nosey Animatronic actually real? Does it function the way the videos show? Or is this just another exaggerated 2026 gadget trending online for the wrong reasons? Welcome back to GigaBits, where we analyze viral tech, questionable gadgets, and too good to be true products to reveal what's legit and what's just hype. Today we're breaking down Nosey Animatronic to find out whether it's a real interactive creature or a staged online illusion. I spent several days testing Nosey Animatronic hands-on. I analyzed its movement range, reaction sensors, build quality, sound modules, and actual behavior compared to the videos circulating online. To get a full picture, I also compared Nosey to similar animatronic-style toys like the Zoomer Pup 2026 edition, Moji Interactive Dog, Fable Friends RoboPets, and several AI-based motion toys sold on Amazon. On top of that, I read through dozens of customer reviews, user complaints, and discussion threads on animatronic hobby forums, especially focusing on claims that Nosey's videos are edited or misleading. After all of this research and testing, I now have a solid understanding of what Nosey really is and what it definitely isn't. Nosey is marketed as an advanced animatronic companion with lifelike sniffing motions, reactive head movement, personality-based behaviors, and emotional responses. But that raises important questions. Does Nosey actually detect people and respond? Are the movements really smooth and expressive? Is it AI-driven or just pre-programmed? And is the viral behavior even achievable with the device sold to customers? Step 1. Motion and realism. Nosey can move its head, blink, and tilt slightly, but the fluid, ultra-realistic motions seen in viral clips are heavily exaggerated. In real use, movements are more robotic, limited, and sometimes jittery. The sniffing animation is just a repeated motor pattern. It doesn't actually smell or detect scents. Step 2. Interaction and sensors. The device does include simple touch and proximity sensors, but they're far from advanced. Nosey reacts mostly with pre-built animations, not real-time emotional responses. The ads suggest adaptive behavior, but the actual unit repeats just a few programmed sequences. Step 3. Sound and voice. Nosey makes soft mechanical noises and a few digital chirps, but it doesn't talk or react meaningfully to speech. The promotional videos use sound overlays not present in the real product. Step 4. Build quality. The outer shell feels lightweight, similar to mass-produced toy-grade animatronics. Internally, the mechanism resembles low-cost hobby servos. Functional, but far from the high-end robotics portrayed online. Step 5. Comparing viral videos versus reality. This is where the truth becomes clear. Many Nosey clips online use edited eye animations, stabilized motion effects, added sound design, and enhanced movement speed. The real product cannot replicate these behaviors. While not a scam, the marketing is undeniably misleading. Step 6. Customer feedback. Real buyers report mixed results. Some enjoy Nosey as a quirky animated desk toy, while many feel disappointed when it doesn't match the online demonstrations. Complaints include stiff movements, repetitive behavior, and lack of genuine interactivity. So, is Nosey Animatronic fake or real? The truth is somewhere in the middle. Yes, it is real. There is an actual physical animatronic toy that moves, blinks, and reacts in basic ways. But the viral, lifelike behavior is not real. Those clips are significantly enhanced and staged. It's not AI-powered, it's not advanced robotics, and it does not behave like a living creature. Bottom line, Nosey Animatronic is a fun novelty gadget for collectors, kids, or fans of quirky motion toys, but it's not the realistic AI creature the internet hype suggests. If you're expecting the smooth, emotional movement shown in ads, you'll be disappointed. If you just want a simple animatronic toy with cute pre-programmed behaviors, Nosey does deliver on that level. If this deep dive helped you understand whether Nosey Animatronic is real or just online hype, make sure to like and subscribe to GigaBits for more honest product breakdowns. And tell me below, would you buy an animatronic creature like Nosey, or do you think the hype has gone too far? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we expose the truth behind trending tech every week.